Hello everyone and welcome to Sources classes. So in this video we'll discuss the quant section of the paper basically. So this year we see the quant section almost remains the same. So it was a bit of calculative in general and also it was a little bit tricky. So what we'll do is basically we'll take a look at a few simple calculation based questions that have come across question number 31 to 35. So let's take a look at this. What we need to do is basically we need to figure out what comes in the place of question mark in each and every one of this question. Okay, so let's focus on question number 31 first. So it's given 31. Let me try and solve. 8792 minus 4136 divided by question mark equal to 45.5. Okay, so this, if we solve this, basically the bracket first, if you go by the BODMAS, that is, okay, let me write it here, we'll follow simply this rule, BODMAS. So start bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Okay, so we'll follow this particular order. Here if we first solve the bracket, then what we have is this 4656 by question mark equal to 145.5. So therefore question mark will be simply given by, if we cross multiply the same, 4656 by 145.5, that is 32. Okay, so 32 will be our answer. Okay. Having said that, let's move to question number 32. 6561 divided by 10.8 into 2.5 divided by 3, okay, equal to question mark. So let's then try and solve the bracket first, that is 6561 divided by this bracket 10.8 into 2.5 would simply give us 27 divided by 3 equal to question mark. Okay, so if we take a look at the question mark itself, it can be further written as 6561 by, say, 27 into 3. Okay, therefore equal to question mark, which would be equal to 27 391 91. Sorry, not 91, 81. Okay, 81 will be the correct option. So the correct answer would be option 4, 81. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now let's move to question number 33. See, 7365 plus 5.4 square plus root under question mark equal to 7437.16. Okay, if we solve the same, it would simply come out to be 7365 plus 5.4 square would come out to be 29.16 plus root under question mark equal to 7437.16. Okay, if we solve the same, root under question mark can be given by 7437.16 minus 29.16 minus 7365, that is root under question mark will be 43. Okay, so if we square both sides, squaring both sides, therefore question mark will be equal to 46 square, that is 1849. Okay, so 1849 will be our answer, that is option number A. Okay, now let's take a look at 34. So, that is, it's given 40% of question mark into 3 by 10, so it can be simply written as 40 by 100 of can be written as question mark into 3 by 10 equal to 78. Okay, so this is how the entire thing can be represented. So 378, 3 2 just 6, we can separate this. 3 2 just 6, 18 6 just 18, so gone there. 2600 by 4, so it would simply come out to be question mark equal to 1849. No, not 1849. Hang on. Sorry, my bad. 2600, 4, 5 year 20, 15. Okay, so it will come out to be 650. That is for question number 34. It will be 650. And now last one, we have question number 35. 35 can be simply written as question square equal to 160 square minus 90 square minus 7191 minus 65 square. So if we solve the same, it would simply come out to be 6084. So if we cube root, square root, taking square root in both sides, question work would simply be 78. Okay, 78. So I hope all these things are clear. It was all nothing but simple basic calculations were involved in the solving of the same. So in case you have any kind of difficulty with respect to the solution of the same, I suggest you go through each and every question that we have solved and solution of the same in details. And this was only a part of the question question paper. In case you want the full solution of the same, and if you want full explanation of the entire paper in general, then I suggest you contact us via all the links given in the description, be it our website, be it our email ID, and be it our numbers on which you can call, text or WhatsApp us as well. So having said that, in case you like the video, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel so that we can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line as well. And having said that, I'd like to sign off. Thank you so much.